Hey guys, Stojan here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to construct your thank you page. So you can see on the screen what we did in the last step. We created this squeeze page, and now what we want to do is actually when visitors enter their details in these fields, when they leave their name and email address, and when they click on this button, we want to take them on the page that will give them their guide and guidance how they can start earning those 100 per day. So actually just I will change this download my guide into get access, because they will not download anything, but we will create a page for them with guidance. So I would advise you to change that to get access to my guide. So I will show you now example of one of my thank you pages. So you can see here we will going to create something like this. So you can see it's like I told you guys before, it's always important to personalize your pages so you can be able to connect better with your audience. So you can see here what I did on this page. First I said thank you for subscribing. There's my image over there. Also in the first part I gave some information about myself and how I started in internet marketing. You can see here when they follow this link they will go to my website and my about me page, so they can get some information how I started and to get to know me better. So it's just a way you connect better with people so they know what you're about and what you trying to teach them, and basically what kind of person you are. So since you guys don't probably have a website, what you can do is actually enter on this thank you page some introduction about yourself. It doesn't have to be anything long or anything complex, just a few lines of text that you are explaining who you are, and you can just enter those in few lines of text in the first part of your thank you page. Then in the next part of your thank you page you can actually let them know, since we guys are promoting Earn Easy Commissions offer, this is the CPA program we are going to promote. What you actually guys need to do on your thank you page is to just give explanation to your visitors why is that program good and how they can use it to earn some money. So in my examples here, because I'm also offering a free training, so that's why my thank you page is a little more complex, and you will actually you can use a lot simpler thank you page than I have, because I have here 3 buttons and instructions how to go through the process of joining the Facebook group and everything. So basically you don't have to need that. So like let me just repeat one more time. In the first part of your thank you page, just create a little introduction about yourself to personalize it a bit. Then in the next part what you're going to do is like this: go to Earn Easy Commissions website and check out their program and check out steps here. You can basically give them instructions about these steps they need to take. So you can let them know it's a free account and they can join for free. Also you can let them know in your thank you page that they have step-by-step videos that are included for them when they join, so they can follow along training and get better at earning those commissions. And you can then let them know that they can get paid on a weekly basis on every Monday. And also you can let me just show you guys here. You can also use these frequently asked questions, and basically what you want to do is just familiarize yourself with this program and try to describe it on your thank you page in a way that is like a guide to your visitors. So guide them to join this program so they can start earning themselves. So you need to tell them that basically they can earn without selling anything. The only job they will need is actually to refer people to this website. So if you're not sure how this program works, you can basically just watch the videos here to understand how everything works, your success formula, and how everything works. This is basically, it will explain everything to you. Also, if that's not enough for you, you can get help here on this website, and you can getting started, for example, and you can see here all the points about this program. How much do I earn as a free member, how does the program work, and you can basically just take the points of this program and describe it on your thank you page, but try to make it as a guide. Provide them with steps. For example, step 1, join the program. Step 2, watch the videos. Step 3, start driving traffic. And then you can give them links to this training portal where they can watch videos that will show them ways they can generate traffic. So that is basically what you need to do with your thank you page. So just give me 1 second and I will show you guys how you can construct your thank you page in your WordPress website. Okay guys, so here we are at your WordPress website dashboard, and let's go and create your thank you page. So let me just first give you guys, let's choose a theme you can use, because at the moment the default theme is installed on WordPress, and I'm sure we can find some better looking theme. So let's try, for example, this one and install it here. You just need to go here, appearances, themes, and go click add new, and you will find this theme here, and just click install and then activate it. When you're done with that, you can go here where it says pages, and let's add a new page. I already created one, but let's do it all from the start so you guys can follow along. So here you can say thank you for subscribing, for example, and go to publish. This will publish your page, and you can preview here, and this is how the page will look at this moment. So now you can start adding some text to your thank you page here, and remember, like we said, first we want to give some introduction and personalize it. So for example, I already did some text here. Let me just copy it so you guys, this is just an example. Please create your own text, and like I said before, just follow that template. In the first part you just personalize it and tell a bit about yourself. In the middle, just start describing earn easy commissions program, and at the end just give them exact steps how they need to follow to start earning with earn easy commissions program. So as I said, here's an example text for you. Hey there, my name is, so you can fill it out, and I'm enthusiastic about internet marketing and building an online business. I have tried and searched online for many programs that can help me earn money, but they were either too complicated or not giving me results. Finally, after many weeks of searching, I have found a program that is giving me results. Anyone can start earning with this program since it's free to join, and you can start earning right away without selling anything. Here are the steps you need to take to start earning. So You can give them steps here, for example. Step 1, join Easy Commission CPA program, and what you can do is actually find your affiliate link that will be here in this getting started window. So you just copy this affiliate link and you will go to your page and add it here in the first step where it says join an Easy Commission CPA program by just clicking here on this chain icon, and you will paste here your affiliate link. That will make your link clickable, so they will go to your affiliate link by clicking to this link. Then you can let them know they can watch the training videos and get instructions how to send traffic to this website so they can earn money. And you can let them know they can start applying strategies and they learn from the video and they drive traffic to their affiliate link to get started with earnings. So basically that's it, what you guys need to do. So let me once more let's update this and let me show you how it looks. Okay, so here it is. You can see here it's a very basic page. So as you can see here, I want to show you guys, you can see the page as it is now. It's very dead looking. So just let me show you what just a single image will create. Okay, let's insert here. You can add media by this button here. You can add videos and images, so just click and you can upload here files or use the one you already had from before. So you can see here by just adding an image you can see how the page looks a lot more lively, a lot more personalized. So, and you can add the steps and guidance from them here. So I'm going to just write for the end here for you guys the steps you need when you create a thank you page. So thank you page instructions. So in the first page, first part of your thank you page, personalize page with image and add text about yourself and introduce yourself in few short sentences. Okay, so in the second part, describe the Easy Commissions, the Earn Easy Commissions program. You do that by just going to their website again to know about the program, and just take the main points from the program and describe it in your thank you page. And in the third part, give them step-by-step guidance how to start using the program. So step 1, give them your affiliate link as a link they could join the program with. Okay, so you can point them to the videos, to the training videos where they can learn how to drive traffic, for example, and just give them any other instructions you feel that can help them. So basically that's it when you're creating a thank you page. So we're going to save this, and I'm going to show you guys now how to use this thank you page. So this is the link. We are going to copy the link address, and we will go back now to get response account. So you guys remember we created a landing page here, and this is our landing page, how it looks like. So now we are going to connect our thank you page to our landing page. So we are going to do that like here. If you go to the landing page screen here at get response, you will get to the screen where all your landing pages are created. So you can see here the one we created previously in the previous step. So we are going to go here and click on edit settings. So here you will see the screen you already seen before, and what we're actually going to do here, just change the default thank you page, and we will put the custom thank you page, and we will enter here our link of the page we just created. This is the link. Let me remind you one more time. So then you are going to publish your page again, and now let's see how our page looks like. So this is the page you are going to show to your visitors and drive traffic to it. So somebody, let's say John Doe, wants to get him to download your guide, John Doe, and let's see, when they click on download my guide, they'll get transferred to this page where they can get some instructions how to start running with Earn Easy Commission CPA program. I will leave for you guys a link to this thank you page, just so you have as a reference and as an example of a page you can create. Also, you guys, you can always ask me questions in the Facebook group if you need any help, and I will gladly help you to create your custom thank you pages. And that's it for this step. In the next step, we will going to start building strategies how to drive traffic on our squeeze pages, and you guys will also have opportunities to see your first commissions from this strategy. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you need anything in the Facebook group, and see you later. Bye bye.